Hot damn. This is quite the menu right here. Got your next update scheduled. Helicopter. Anyway, this is Sons of the Forest. You know, I played the original Forest back in the day. And I beat it and everything. That was a really fun game, but I've been super excited for this one, especially since I think it was like the E3 a few years ago where they showed off the trailer, like the big old scary cave. This music doesn't seem very spooky, but I think the game might be. New game. Ooh. Ooh. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Let's go with normal for now. I think if I come back and play this game with friends, if they would be willing to buy it, we'll do hard and just get our booty hole eaten. If it loads, of course. That was an egregiously long loading screen. Oh. Hello. Shit, we're going in. Beep beep. That looks like it's kind of got a similar layout. Okay. The first game. Oh shit, we're looking for Edward Pupton.
Last signal was from 500 feet below ground. 7 months ago. You're not gonna find anyone alive down there.
Oh. We're looking for some dude's family. Fight demons. Oh shit. We got shot down. Gotta fight more than just demons. Lag. I'm sorry, it's lagging. Oh, goodness gracious. Great balls of lag. I'm alive. When I used to... Also, I'm used to almost all games I ever play with there's a crash. It's like... Oh, hello. You're alive, dude. Way to fumble the bag right there, dude. Anyway, I'm used to most games you like getting like knocked out. Oh, I'll survive the fall though. There's the knockout. There it is. I'm waiting for that. Okay. Who are you? And again, that's not good for my head, dude. Double concussion right there. Oh, this game is running a little bit like dog water, not bad. Oh, the X. Hello? Excuse me, spider. Duct tape and meds. A rock. I got hops too. Puff Corp. Why am I hurting? Maybe I should take those meds. Yeah. Gotta take the drugs. Nice. 19B. I'm sorry, my rock is flipping. Hold up. I would like my... Oh, I got a knife. A lighter. Guidebook. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness, this is so unnecessary but so epic. Where's purple? Oh, I gotta go all the way back around. Hell yeah, dude. Anyway. More medicine? Okay. This game looks beautiful though, oh my god. No idea what the settings are. Hold up. Okay. The settings aren't great because my computer's not great. I really need a new graphics card. But no. Like, subscribe. Maybe I can afford to get a new graphics card. Share with your friends. I don't know. Blow me. Fuck. I'm sorry. That was rude. Damn, this game still looks good despite, you know, me not having the highest settings right now. Me not having ray tracing. I gotta go over to this pulsing thing over here, I think. Oh, what is this? Eat. Oh, yeah, that was the wrong berry to eat. Okay, these should be good berries, right? Hey, those were good berries. These are bad berries. I don't think this looks pretty stagnant water. Fish. Zoom. Hot diggity damn! Like wild eat. I should not stop eating random berries. What does that even do? Oh no, I'm cutting down this tree. Okay, that was pretty easy. To the GPS, gotta go find Team B. Unless Team B is those... Can I just like... My map? The thing? Oliveira. Hold on, I put away my good axe. I'm gonna go to this pulsing spot. However, I'm not sure that's where the other team is. Seems like a good idea. That's like the shove, maybe? Oh. Intense. Flares, okay. I'll fuck with that. Crap. Heart. Crap. Money. Betty. Ooh. There's the camera. Whoops. Didn't need it, apparently. I think, like, really abstract freaking faces in this game as well. If I make a gazebo, is it going to tell me I'm supposed to be finding the Pullock family or whatever the name was? Puffkin family. That was a nice achievement. First game. I just had to build a gazebo before I saved Timmy, alright? You don't know me. Yeah. Oh, look at that. It's so crisp. Where that cuts. Oh, okay. Well, that could still use some work, but that's all right. Yeah, I don't see anything here. This pulses. Like, black box? Oh, nom nom. Like, in the pulse area. What am I looking for? Can I, like, get a closer look at my map? Hello? Getting dark. Oh, I don't know how I missed this. Okay, yeah, must have been their last known location. That's what we were going for, right? I gotta do my job. I gotta find these people. This is their last known location. Looks like somebody was bad at driving. I mean, why would you drive a golf cart in these conditions? But that's all I have to go off of. I'm not doing well. Huh. Keybird. Can I get like a better map? Better look. Okay. Lovely, it's raining. Oh God, that's a log. I'm like, what the fuck is that? Go to the beach. That's the first thing I always used to do in the first Forest game, is I just went to the beach. Chilled out, you know, into the boat. My strength is low, apparently. Well, figure it out. It's running water, it'll be fine, right? Yeah. Perfect. I don't want to get struck by lightning. Sure. Okay, that team is pretty close, actually. I'll go for there. I'll go up the river towards the team. I don't see any, you know, cannibalistic people, so that's nice. But I am ill-prepared for when I do. I don't got no guns. There was no dead body next to, where I landed despite seeing somebody fall. Oh, there's another pulsating thing. Just eat this. No, that. Okay. Looks like those are probably places where the family was last spotted. Family I could give two shits about right now, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, that's bad berry. Cool. That looks nice. That looks pretty nice, not gonna lie. Why do I have like a north, south, east, and west on this damn thing? Oh, this would be a great place for a base. Remember that, Nick. Remember that. Perfect. Yeah. This is gonna be a lot of me just running around. Oh, spooters! Spooters! I don't like spooters. Jesus Christ. Hello? Yo, what the tits out? Okay, apparently you can't turn off nudity. I'm gonna have to learn how to blow some titties. Hello? Hi. They seem friendly. Just ignore them. Am I like tired? Is that why my strength is low? Oh boy. Alright. I was very caught off by straight boobies. My bad. Need to find Team B, take a nap. Good start. Team Babe, hello. Not a good idea. Oh, that's a fine idea. Ooh, ooh. Team Bohemian Rhapsody. Fancy looking tree. Turn it down. Gave me nothing. Nothing new. Okay. Sounds like a bomb. I get in proximity of what I'm trying to get, but won't hurt me. Don't hurt me. Ow, it hurt me. Hello, Team B? Oh, my team bitch, where are you? Are they further down? That be the solution? Seems like they should be like right here. That I'm just blind as hell. I'm gonna go with blind as hell. I get it. I'm going away from where I want to go. Beep beep. Oh, here we go. Oh no, I missed this. Take that rope. Take the snacks. I'm glad I have this rope here. It's just telling me I needed to go down. Like tie a rope to this rock, like they did. Okay. We're good. We are A-okay. Okay. Huh. Sure what I'm supposed to do about that. This GPS needs to fucking go. It's driving me fucking crazy. Put it away. Put it away. Put it away. I got it. I got it. Put it away. Give me something else. Oh god. Well, it's not going well for people yet. And I cut down the dude's body though. I think I should take some medicine real quick. Perfect. Perfect. What? Ah! Ow. And a flashlight? Fuck yeah. Huh. That's great and everything. I sure would like to put this away. What is that then I just grabbed? I don't know. Maybe I think it's a marker. Maybe I could set it down to like, you know, I don't know, mark things. Oh god. I don't know how to blur, guys. I'm afraid I'm gonna have to fight somebody with just their tits out, and I'm not gonna know how to blur it. Oh my god, is that my mutant GF? Hi. Oh, my weapon's away, guys. I don't really know how to do that. Okay, I just have this. What are you pointing at? Oh, single ladies. I'm back. No. Is she just gone? Not my mutant girlfriend. No. I'll find you again. This is not the end for us. Push this boulder? No. Oh, that what you were pointing at? Was this a bit of a problem? Oh. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, okay, that was a bow. That was a bow. Give me my knife, dude. Fuck the heck. You ready to? Oh yeah, he's ready to fight. Oh. Yeah, he was ready to fight, guys. Much more than I was, evidently. Those dumb bitches. Now I'm coming for you. Put your tits away. Be quiet. You're the one who did this to me. Thank you. Put my stuff back. Get back up. Let me take my drugs real quick. Nice. Skulls. Some intestines. Freshly baked. Might I add. Okay. Bitch, you ain't got shit on me. Literally eat you. I'm going full feral already. Was I already feral? Come here. Put you in the fire. Okay. The mask boy here. Ugly ass noodlehead. What the hell? Put that ass away. Oh my god, I'm so bad. You're not hearing all that ass. Double cheeked up on a Thursday afternoon. Oh shit, man. I did not survive very long. Oh goodness, I'll play more of this. But that was just a little introduction of the goofiness that is gonna be anything I play in the world. Now, thanks for tuning in. See ya.